Hello, welcome back for lesson number 31. I put a title called the trajectory. Today we're going to sketch the path for the cutter to follow. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the last lesson file and then continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We will double click on the part to go into the sketch mode. Select the plane, click OK, and we're going to use the same function as the last lesson, offset. We're going to offset this portion. Same thing is the distance will be 3, and this one as well. Click OK. Then we're going to draw lines. We're going to draw two lines. One is at the left and one at the right. With that, we use the trim function. We're going to extend the curve into this area so that we're going to use it for our two path. Click OK. We're going to draw circles. First circle will be here, 3.5, whereby is the starting point. 3.5 is because we have 0.5 material left for the finishing cut, and we have a 2 diameter 3 just now on the previous lesson to cut this area, so we know that this will be the end point of the previous cutter. We use it because we need to end this location to prevent our tool hit into the parts. We click OK. The other circle is 5.5, and that is where we will end our tool. We use the power trim. You can see this is the result on after we trim all the unnecessary curves. Exit. Go back into the cam plan. Update the components, and we're going to use profile. This round we're going to create a new profile. Select profile and then create. With that, we select all the curves that we created just now. Except we click OK. And we're going to use the reverse direction to ensure that the direction has to be from the left to right. If you pick from the right side, it's okay. Do not need to do the reverse direction. But if you click from the left side, then you need to do the reverse direction. Then click OK. With that, we select the 2 diameter 5 flat end mill. Update the parameter, right mouse click, edit. Select G54. Update the RPM and feed rate. We're going to use on boundary. The top will be -4 and the bottom is -15. With that, we update the bottom thickness 0.5 and the uniform depth is 3. We need to set 0.5 for the engage and do not need to have anything on the retract. With that, we change the color to orange and we calculate. Look at the result, seems good. We have the two paths created, and then we try to verify it if it's okay. Set the G54 and then you can see that the two paths go into Z -14.5, which is correct. We click OK and we click OK again. With that, we do a solid verify to show that the cutting is in good situation. Use the analysis visual to make sure that we still have material for the finishing cut. Looks good. Let us save the file. I have completed the theory portion. Let me switch the screen to show you the step-by-step. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step-by-step how to complete the task. First, we will double-click on the previous operation. Double-click on the part. Go into sketch mode. Select the plane. Click OK. And we go into the sketch mode now. Offset. Distance is going to be 3. We're going to use this one and this one. Click OK. You need to draw a line. This point to this point. Click OK. This one again. Here to here. OK. We zoom bigger. You need to use the power trim and extend. First is going to be here. Second is somewhere here. Click OK. Draw a circle. Diameter, radius is 3.5. Location, this side. OK. Another circle, 5.5. location here. Okay. We're gonna use the power trim. This one, this one, this one, this one. Can zoom it bigger. This one. And we want to use the power trim for this one as well. The right side. This one, this one, this one. We will delete the circle. Delete. Delete. So you can see that this is going to be the curve that we want to use it for our toolpath. Exit. Go into Cam Plan. Update. Right mouse click. Update status. Component. OK. We're going to use the tool axis mill. Profile. Create. Profile. OK. We need to tilt the part. Bring it up. Again. So because I used to select from the left side 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I click OK. So you can see the arrow is pointing this side, so we need to reverse this side. Click OK. Use the diameter fly flat end mill. We need to update the parameter. Right mouse click, edit, set the frame G54 900 230. Boundary on boundary -4. Bottom is this area. Oops. This one, which is -15, correct. 0.5 for the bottom thickness. Depth is 3. Nothing here. We will set this one as 0. This one is 0.5. This one is nothing. We will change the color to orange. And we calculate. Looks good. Let us do verify. G54. You can drag the tool to, you can see that is Z minus 14.5. Looks good. Click OK. Click OK again. Let us do a solid verify. Let me speed up the process. Looks good. Let us do analysis. If we have bound into any area, seems okay. The starting point, we do not cut over this area. Has the ending point as well. We didn't touch the wall. Okay, looks good. Close. Close. And we save the file. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. I see you again at the next lesson. Bye bye.